This is Exotic Dit Dots. This is a video of Little Miss BB. Little Miss BB was sold and her buyers changed their mind. So she's back on the market. This is Little Miss BB. I gotta tell you, this is one adorable kitten. She really is a little cutie. She's been the tiniest kitten in the litter all along, and she's getting after my fingers. But she's a really sweet little baby. She likes to play. She's very healthy. She's very happy. She's very conformationally correct. If you look at her, if I can get her to look back over here, you can see how big her eyes are. She has a nice open face. And her little nose is well set and tiny. Her ears point forward as they should. And she is considered a tortoiseshell kitten. They're equal to a calico, but in a different sense. That their pattern, and let me see if I can get her side for you. Her pattern is tortoiseshell, sort of like a tortoiseshell, where the gold and the black and the white all sort of mixed together. Ow, baby, don't bite me. She's pretty playful, as you can see, and she's not beyond a little toe biting, or even a finger or two now and again. Let me see if I can turn her around so you can see her all around. If her face looks a little bit sticky, that's because I just washed her little face. She had a dish of milk and kitten food, and it got her face dirty, so I cleaned her face. Little Miss BB's price will be below her picture, like all of them are. We put the videos up, and then we put the information about them below. If you're interested in this kitten, please email me and let me know. This is Exotic Dit Dots. Thank you for watching.